ready to ditch the sales chaos and turn your leads into loyal customers. Let's unlock the secret to organizing your leads with Trello and Follow Up Boss, creating a visual powerhouse that'll boost your sales first. Visualize your sales pipeline by creating boards in Trello that match your sales stages like new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and closed. Now, populate each board with cards representing your leads, making sure to include crucial details like their name, contact information, and lead source. You can manually input those details or automate the process with integrations. Next, integrate Follow Up Boss with Trello by using Zapier or similar automation tools, setting up zaps that automatically create a Trello card for every new lead in Follow Up Boss. This ensures no lead slips through the cracks. Customize your Trello cards by adding custom fields for key information, such as deal size, follow-up dates, and lead temperature, so you can prioritize your actions. Keep your boards updated by moving leads from one stage to the next as they progress through the sales process, providing a real-time visual representation of your sales pipeline. Automate repetitive tasks using Trello's automation features, such as Butler, setting up rules to assign tasks, schedule reminders, and update card information automatically. Enhance team collaboration by inviting your team members to your Trello boards, assigning tasks, and leaving comments directly on the cards, ensuring everyone is on the same page. By integrating Trello with Follow Up Boss, you'll not only streamline your lead management process but also improve team collaboration and ultimately boost your sales efficiency. Happy selling!